Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade peanut butter. Let's get started. I have a food processor here and I'm going to add in 2 cups of dry roasted peanuts. And now we're going to make the peanut butter. We don't add any of the additional ingredients yet. We want to start getting this to be smooth. So I'm just going to put the top on and let's turn this on and let it go for about 4 to 5 minutes. And I want to show you the different stages. So the first stage is going to be it's going to smell very peanutty, and it's going to be, turn into like sand at first. So that's kind of the first stage, broken down into sand, and that only took like 30 seconds to get to this point. And then now let's just turn it on some more. And then after a couple more minutes, it's going to start to come together. And now it's going to start to resemble that peanut butter. It's like a hard, clumpy, or it's like a more clumpy peanut butter right now. Some people will add, at this point, just a little bit of peanut oil to help it along. It's not totally necessary, but you can do that as well. And then what happened is it clumped up together, and then after a couple seconds, it turned into a peanut butter. Isn't that awesome? It's really, really cool. And at this point, I do want to add in just a little bit of salt. You don't have to add in the salt. I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt and a little bit of honey for sweetness. Or you could do like sugar as well. Or you don't have to add it in at all and just do a completely natural style peanut butter. All right. And there we have it. That is our peanut butter. It will get a little more smooth if you add in some extra peanut oil with it. I want to give it a taste here. I personally want to add just a little bit more salt and just a little bit more honey, which will make it about 2 teaspoons total of honey. And there we go. We've got this awesome peanut butter. Homemade peanut butter. And now I'm just going to scoop it in this mason jar. Oh yeah. And then you can use this peanut butter in anything you want. Homemade peanut butter cups. Oh yeah. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, whatever you want to do. And then you would cover this and store it in the refrigerator for more long-term storage. The oils might separate a little bit and then you'll have to stir it. But if you're going to eat it pretty fast, then you can just store it at room temperature as well. And there we go. Homemade peanut butter. Really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna eat it like this. Oh yeah. Mm-mm-mm.